What's up, T&J fam? It's Jay here, and I'm about to do another prank on T, y'all. This time I'm gonna be doing the beep at this car prank, y'all. We about to go somewhere. I'm gonna let her drive, and she's gonna be wondering why everybody trying to beep at her. So basically, stay tuned, y'all, and let me know what y'all think about this prank. Squad, we out. Look, I just put it on the car. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Can y'all see that? Just taped it on the car. Now all I gotta do is wait for T to come outside. But I'm gonna get in the car and pull it to the back so she won't see it that I put it on the back. Let y'all see all this right quick. Start the car up. Let me see. Yep. Pulling back now. Hold on. I can see them. Reversing, y'all. So she won't see it. I'm gonna put the rear end all the way to the back. Let y'all see. So when she comes, she won't see it. She gotta walk around to the front, y'all. Oh shoot! I almost hit that boy. Hit that little thing. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. Basically park that back there or whatever, so when she comes, she walk around to the front. Doesn't even gotta walk to the back. Scoot back a little more. All right, we good, y'all. We good. We good. Yeah, we good. That's close enough. So she can't go back there and see what I did. She bring her butt right here, and I'm gonna hop back in the passenger seat and tell her to come on. Here she come now, y'all. She about to get in the driver's seat. I guess I'm like I'm on Snapchat or something. I don't know yet, but if I have a reason to record. Say what's up, Snap.
What's up, snappers? You see I'm driving right now. My car feel kind of funny.
She driving crazy, y'all. Look, oh my God.
Boy, I'm not driving crazy. That girl better not running that street, though. Look at her. Yeah, you better get your daughter. Crazy self. You see me coming. Then she would have been the next person.
Crazy.
Oh my God, my daughter. She never did anything to nobody. Nah, that's how they be, though. I got me some nice rest. I feel way better than I was earlier because I was so tired. Like when we went to Walmart, my eyes was hurting so bad. I couldn't see. You know how it's so bad that when you look at the light, it like hurts. Why that car just beeped at me and then he freaking turned? I was waiting for him to come on the side of me because I sure was gonna stick up the middle finger at him. Like I don't care. I sure do be doing that. He just beeped for no reason. Like I'm doing a damn speed limit. The heck? It ain't that serious. Like you should do the speed limit. And what is this car doing? I can't freaking
road
see.
rage, y'all.
Right, they got road rage. I don't.
You do too.
No. Only when they be beeping at me for no reason. Next person who beep at me, I'm throwing some pennies at their car. Roll my window down, throw some pennies. I'm not playing. Don't be flicking your light at me. Now they flashing lights. Now they getting on my nerves. What? My light supposed to be on because it's dark. I can freaking see. Let me turn my light on, bro. What the? Whatever. Now I'm about to go even slower. Nah. Now they want to fall back. Yeah, you better fall back. I'm not the one. I will follow you home.
Look at that road rage, y'all.
Who is y'all?
Snap about to go crazy. Like, hey, T got road rage, bro.
I ain't got no road rage. I just hate when people be blowing at me.
I don't know why they blowing at you.
They supposed to. I want to make it home safe. I got kids to live for, okay?
Yeah, true.
I ain't about to try to go up there and get crash and stuff.
Right.
Trying to make you be wherever you want to be because you were in a rush. No.
Hey, this is my song. Hey, what y'all know about that motorsport?
Yeah, you see he fall back. I'm gonna throw some pennies at it. They looking at it on my side, they on your side because I was about to throw some pennies at this car. Yeah, you better turn. And I know you staying now.
They just turned.
Huh?
They just turned another complex.
Yeah. I know they staying now. Nah, I ain't like that. And I got some pennies.
Girl, what you about to do with those?
Throw that at somebody.
You about to do what?
I'm gonna throw that at somebody. Next time somebody blow at me. And I'm gonna blow back.
I'm about to throw that them over there walking.
They ain't do nothing to me.
Oh, well, they would after you throw them pennies.
I'm not gonna mess with nobody. I don't mess with people who don't mess with me. I only mess with people who mess with me. That's a nice little orange car.
Yeah, put them pennies down.
No, I'm just saying. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
throw
but
no pennies.
they tripping, dog. They must don't like the way you drive or something.
No, they want me to drive extra fast. I am not about to drive.
I told you drive like a crazy.
You gotta slow down, boy.
Drive like a crazy person.
I don't drive crazy. They want me to go faster, and I'm not about to go faster. I gotta give you some freaking gas too.
We gotta go back to the gas station.
I know. I should have turned in there.
Turn around.
That complex right there.
I'm turning around.
Yeah.
Bro, this car just beeping, bro.
Yeah. Next time he beat, I'm gonna be back. I did it right back to you now. Every time. I'm gonna act stupid. I act stupid too.
It's crazy, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but T on some don't know how to drive today.
No, I know how to drive. It's just these cars in a rush because it's the holiday and they want to get them sales. That's what it is.
But I mean, you driving like a granny.
No, I ain't driving like no granny. I'm doing the speed limit. That's what I'm about to do. I ain't never had a ticket a day in my life, and I'm not gonna get one. The only time I be rushing is speed and probably do an extra 5 miles is when I'm late. When I'm late to take Joshy to school. Now I'll be on like 5 minutes to get there. I'll be making it there just in time. All right, baby, I'm about to go get me some. Blow me again. Nah, fool.
Hey,
I can do it too. Y'all don't scare me. Baby, what is wrong with these people?
you ain't driving too good or something.
No, I am driving too good. I always drive good. That's how I got my license. They didn't. I don't know why they have their license.
I'm just saying, it gotta be something.
Well.
They just tearing that horn up.
And I can tear mine up too. That's why I got it. Then they be scared when they get on the side of stuff.
That gas down there was cheaper though.
Where?
Down there. I think it was a BP.
There's 233. Everybody's 233. That's why I'm about to go anyway. You about to pump my gas?
I'm about to pump it.
Duh. I don't know.
Don't I always pump it?
Duh.
Sorry, don't act like it's nothing. We go to the gas station right here. Gonna get this gas real quick.
Yes. And I don't know why that car flashed at me again. Hurt my dang on eyes, for real.
I don't know why.
That was the third car who flashed at me. I know I need another bulb in my car. No, because one of my lights is out.
Oh, that's why he did that?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta get that fixed, babe.
I don't know why they do that. That's not good. I know my light out. Well, that's my son.
Girl, you still my boo.
Man, we must just miss this light.
Yep.
Oh, that scared me. They got a loud horn though.
Bro, why is everybody beeping at you?
I don't know. It's getting irritating. It's only got to be something wrong with my car. They trying to let me know something. They not about to just be beeping at me. They never just beep.
Yeah, that's crazy. Maybe it is, huh?
I think it is. Earlier it was running funny, you remember?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna figure it out once I get out the car. When we go home. Well, you gonna figure it out, go checking or something, because that junk gonna make no sense. Dang, all the gas. Dang, get off my butt, bro. I know this car not about to take this spot. I'm not the that just pissed me off. Yeah, cause that stupid person in that black car stole my spot. How much is they gas? They gas is $2.33 too. Everybody trying to get some gas.
Man, it got dark fast, bro.
It sure did.
Oh, they're gone too, man.
This one right here.
He about to take the.
They're getting on my nerves. Everybody trying to get some gas or something.
Calm down, ain't going nowhere.
Oh, what you mean? Calm down. I'm calm, baby. Make me calm, baby.
I don't believe that.
Huh?
I don't believe that.
You do calm down. They just keep blowing me.
Yeah, y'all about to pump this gas and head back home. It's freaking cold out here. And she in there on her phone too, y'all. She ain't even aware about the prank. So I guess you could say everything was a success. Yeah, but it's cold, man. I'm holding this camera with my hand, so I'll let y'all when I get back to the crib. On our way back home, y'all.
Go, car. Freaking dumb self. Don't know how to drive. No, it comes when you don't, though. Like, go, car. They don't know how to drive, I swear. Dang, move out the way. I'll blow at you. To give me an oil change.
That ain't too critical.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Oh, it smells like it.
No, somebody else's.
This fat, yeah, yeah.
Just pulling up at the crib, y'all. Come on.
That's my son.
Okay.
Hey. Wanna set you up.
Good sex me up, then. You say you gotta see what's wrong with it?
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with your car.
Oh, maybe my backlight out or something.
Turn the car on and see.
Turn the car on.
Start the car up and see. And then come back and see. Turn on your lights and come check. Yeah, come look. Yup, this one right here. I'll come look.
Which one? Oh my god, my front and back light out?
That one.
What the freak is, who put this car? Boy, you did that, you childish.
That's why they always beeping at you.
That's what I'm beeping at you. I
You
should
bet.
blush on your face. Why would you put this in my car, y'all? I'm about to really kick his behind. It's over now. It's
That's what you get.
that's what you get. This is a smart idea, though.
You say what? What you say?
This is a smart idea, though.
That's a smart idea.
Yeah, but I don't care. Beep that. Look what you put on my stuff, y'all. Beep at this car.
Oh, they already knew I got you. You the only one that ain't know. Hey, I guess y'all can say the prank was a success, y'all. She mad.
Kiss my black 2 feet.
Nah, we out.